Welcome to Traveling Bits. Today we will learn from Sneha Prakash stretching exercises at home.
Yeah, hi. How are you? We have got few series of the workout. So we know very well just because of the lockdown, people are not going to the gyms, and a lot of people have the questions. We are getting very frustrated, not working out, no exercises there. And what do we have to do? We are getting bulked up. Apart from being into the gym, you have so many different sources out of the gym. Also, many people don't know about it. You can discover your own exercises as per your muscle, as per your body. Many people are not aware of that also. So we can come up with few of the exercise series that I can tell you can do at home anytime whenever you feel like. Feel like in the sense you can uh, work out on that particular series before your bedtime as well. That will help you out recover your muscle more good, more easily, and healthy recovery will also take place, and good sleep will also be there. So what we have to do is stretching. First, we'll take the series of the stretching. What kind of a stretching is very important for the body. So here we come up with few stretching exercises. So this is our entire body, which require the stretching before the bed, after the exercise. Anytime you feel like stiff into any of the organ, you have to stretch yourself. What we do is, first series is like, you just have to come down like a horse, walk away, make yourself straight, pull up your leg, straight and down, straight and down. You don't have to touch the floor. It's just you have to come up with this and then come down. Sit straight, pull your leg, try to pull it as much as you can, and then this leg will come this way. This is how. Again, this, pull up your leg and stretch. Come up with the leg straight and then fold your leg again this way for your glute stretching. Hope everything is visible.
Yes.
You have to stretch your glutes like this. Let me come in front this way. Once your leg is up, you have to come across with this. Then stretch yourself like this. Then again back. Pull your behind leg front. Stretch. Keep stretching your thigh. Then again back, front. Same leg will go up this way, and then now turn for your glutes to stretch. Twist your leg like this. Your another leg is at the back. Pull it up. Try to hold your hand like this. This is one stretching. Same you have to continue with the second leg. This has come back. Now this leg turn. Fine. This is where vice versa you have to do. First left side, then the right side. This is one of the stretching exercise. Then comes second. Second is this stretching, which is called as an Paschimottanasana. This is another part of a stretching you can do. Then your splits. From here you can do your splitting exercises. This is kind of a butterfly you do. Stretch, stretch, come up. This part has to come on your feet this way. Stretch yourself, stretch yourself. This knees have to come down. Stretch. Once you feel a little relaxed, come back. Hold. Now you stretch straight. This way. If you are not that flexible enough, it's just this much you have to pull. Slowly, slowly you will feel yourself little loose. Stretch more, come straight like this. Fine. Then comes to the next leg. Stretch like this. And then push yourself back, back, back. My legs are going back and this is moving in front. Back, 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 and this is straight. Pull. And back. Pull. And back. This is your another stretching. This one was there. Butterfly was there. Splits was there. And then the entire body stretches. This was there. With the glutes. What we have told you. Next is the back exercise stretch. Now we have come up with this hump shape. This way. What now next we have to do is turn. You have to twist like this. Left, and right. Keep stretching yourself. Pull your leg up and down, left and right, up and down, and then stretch your back. This is your back portion. You have to stretch this. This elbow has to come down straight. You don't have to fold this elbow. It will be straight and press. Press your chest part down. Now from the front side, I'll show you. This was the position. Now we are coming down this way, left and right. Leg has to come down and up, and then throw yourself back. Relax yourself. This is another stretching just before your bedtime. Fine. These are few exercises for your stretching what you can do.